Used car superstore. You know, I once heard a claim on advertising that on a TV spot that says, we go to all the best auctions, find the best cars, and pay the lowest price. Huh? What auction do you know of where you get the car if you pay the lowest price? It's not how it works. It's the highest bidder. And you know what? If it's a used car superstore, chances are they have to acquire most of their inventory that way. They have to go to auctions and buy it. You pay the highest price. You have to transport it back to your store. You have to recondition it. You have to have it serviced, put tires on it, brakes, all those things. You got to clean it up. And all that involves, you guessed it, cost. And so what you end up with is a little bit higher price used car because of all the expenses. If you don't understand that, look at my video on pricing and you'll understand dealers have to make a profit. That's what we're here for. You know, we source our cars, some from the auction to fill gaps, but we would really like to get them out of our service department because we know from our service records how the car was maintained. We know the owners. Those are the gems we put in the lot. If you can get that one owner trade, that is the car you want. So we have quite a few of those because we're a new car dealer that takes in trade-ins. So come see us. You find the best used cars at our store, and we recondition those to make them just real gems. And you're going to find the car that's right for you. Gordon Chevrolet on Blanding, south of the Orange Park Mall.